Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Ethereum right here on IC markets. So from now we are having a S&P 500 here on the chart, but what we're gonna do right here is we click here on the cross, click on symbol, and then right now we search right here for Ethereum. Then we click right here on Ethereum to US dollars, and right now we will find here the chart of Ethereum. Now we click right here on new order, and then first of all select here the order type, and then after that we can fill in at volume the amount of Ethereum that we want to buy. So I want to buy 1 Ethereum, then we can create a stop loss or a take profit if you want to, and then after that just click right here on buy by market. So we will do that, and now we create our position right here for Ethereum. So this is how you can buy Ethereum right here on IC markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.